What's going on? This is Ed from Philly Speed 215, and today the video is about my MV and all the issues that I done had with this MV since I done had it from when I first purchased it, to the gas tank, to putting the battery in, the lithium-ion battery, and about the bike not starting, to the day. I replaced the battery. As in my previous video, I replaced the battery with a Duralast battery, and unfortunately the battery is too big, because with Mv Agustas the battery is under the tank, so if the battery is too tall from the OEM battery, it won't line up. See, like where's that right there? That won't line up because the battery is too tall, so it won't line up. And if you can see, the battery right here, it's right there. Hold on, let me put some light on it. But it's like crazy. I mean, I love this bike, I do, but it's so damn problematic. I mean, I done talked to a whole bunch of Mv Agusta owners, and they told me, like, beautiful bike, because it is a beautiful bike, but it's just problems with these damn things. I don't know. I might have to put on the chopping block. I mean, I guess the problem with the lithium-ion battery is sort of my fault, because I didn't charge it, you know, before I put it in the bike. My fuck up. But I mean, damn, I love this bike. This is one of my dream bikes, this one. But it's just too much shit with it. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to discourage anybody from not getting one. I mean, like I said, beautiful bike. But for me, this shit is too problematic. Now my Ducati, no problems. Only problem I had was like dead battery, but that was my fault. I didn't put on the battery tender during the winter months. And this one, I don't know, fucking sucks, man. Like, not having it when I first bought it for like 3 months. Then what else? Yeah, that was about it. I mean, it sounds good with this Competition Works exhaust. I like the quick shifter on it, like the auto blipper on it. It's real agile, fast, you know, but like we would say in the military, one old shit fuck ups all the attaboys. So in other words, you could do good, but that one fuck up and everything is out the door. So yeah, let me shine a light on this damn thing to show y'all what I'm talking about. Man, it is humid as hell. Where'd I put my light at? Hold on. Shit. Alright. Let me show you. Sweating my ass off. Let's see. Alright. That right there. It's not lining up with that, so because the battery's too big. So now I gotta go back, get a new battery, get a shorter one, because this one is too big, and hopefully that works, resolves the problem. The holes line up, I can button this thing up, and I can ride it. Like I said, my Ducati, that thing didn't bulletproof. Now watch, because I said that it's gonna fuck up now, but no, but that one always been faithful, always started up, besides that one little problem I had. And but this thing here, whew, man, this is like like I said, one of my dream bikes, but this thing gives me the most problems since I had it. So hopefully, hopefully, after I get this new battery, put that in, should be able to start up. Hopefully it won't give me no issues. But it's my MV, so it's kind of expected. All right. What I'll do is I'll get back on after I put the new battery in. Hopefully it fits, everything lines up. I can put everything back on, tighten all the screws up, my handlebars and all that stuff, and we'll see. Again, I'm Ed with Philly Speed 215. Peace and pray for me. And if you're the first time you coming to the channel, please subscribe. As I'm filming this video right now, it's about 97% of the people that watch my videos are subscribed. When you subscribe, it could be a thumbs up. Helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Puts my videos out to more people so they can experience the ownership of both of these bikes and some of my trials and tribulations. You know, you can learn from that and my mistakes. All right then, peace. All right, this is the Duralast Gold ETX9. This is the battery that I had in there. So just in case you go to AutoZone and you want to get a battery, a replacement battery for the OEM battery in your MV, that battery is too tall. So you have to get something a little shorter. I'm on my way back to AutoZone to take it back. They said they exchange it for me, which is cool of them. I just need a shorter battery, and hopefully I can throw that thing back in here, start the bike back up, and I pray and I cross my fingers, no more issues with this thing. No more issues. So stay tuned and wish me luck. All right, peace.